In the previous video, I showed you how to update the look and feel of your site's theme with just a few clicks. In this video, we'll explore how to use widgets to add blocks of content to the sidebar or footer of your WordPress website. Widgets are actually independent blocks of content that can be placed into any widgetized area provided by your theme. The most common widgetized areas are the sidebar or footer. Widgets can be used to display your most recent posts and comments, categories, archives, and more. The Widgets subpanel in the Appearance menu is where you add, rearrange, and edit the contents of your widgets. On the left-hand side is a list of available widgets, and to the right is a visual representation of the widget areas supported by our current theme, along with the widgets they currently contain. Remember, your theme may have more or fewer widget areas, and they'll likely be named differently. To edit the settings for a particular widget, just click the arrow to the right of the widget's title. Widgets can be rearranged by simply dragging and dropping them into a new order or location. And to deactivate a particular widget, simply drag it out of the widget area and back to the Available Widgets box. The 2012 theme that we're currently using has 3 different widget areas. The main sidebar appears along the right-hand side of every page in the site, with the exception of the home page, which has the custom front page template applied. That page template doesn't display the widgets from the main sidebar, but rather from these 2 front page widget areas. I'll show you what I mean by moving a couple of widgets that I created ahead of time into the 2 front page widget areas. To add a new widget, simply drag and drop it into the widget area where you want it to appear. The most flexible widget is probably the text widget, which allows you to add any text or HTML content that you like. This is the best way to copy and paste code snippets for email sign-up forms and other things like that. This widget contains a tiny bit of basic HTML to create a link to the About Us page on our site. And now we'll visit our site to check out our 2 new front page widgets. And then we can visit any of the other pages in the site to see the main sidebar and its widgets in action. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create custom navigation menus.